Want to study Japanese language? Visit our Facebook page at Plastone School. Or you can click the link in the description. Sign up now and create your future with us. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be updated on our latest videos. Plastone Language School Incorporated.
Hi, konnichiwa, Aru-sensei desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Today we will learn about verb no ga suki, kirai pattern. Previously, we learned about the pattern noun ga suki, kirai desu. For example, I like books. Hon ga suki desu. But if I want to say I like reading books, I will use the pattern verb no ga suki, kirai desu. So it becomes hon o yomu no ga suki desu. Another example. Tori no shashin ga suki desu. I like pictures of birds. Again, if I want to say I like taking pictures of birds, I would use verb no ga suki kirai pattern. So it would become tori no shashin o toru no ga suki desu. Let me explain. Let's look at the first sentence. Hon ga suki desu. Particle ga marks the subject hon. As we all know, subjects of sentences are always nouns. Then, let's look at the second sentence. Let me remove no. Hon o yomu ga suki desu. This is grammatically wrong. Why? Because yomu is not a noun. It is a verb. Therefore, it cannot be the subject of the sentence. So, we have to nominalize yomu, or we have to convert it into noun by adding particle no. This time, it could be marked as the subject of the sentence. Hon o yomu no ga suki desu. I like reading books. And in nominalizing verbs, we cannot nominalize the long forms of verbs. It should always be the short forms. Please remember that. Let's look at other examples. I love watching anime. Instead of saying anime o mimasu, I replace it into miru. Anime o miru no ga daisuki desu. Another example. If I don't like watching anime, I will just replace suki into kirai. Anime o miru no ga kirai desu. I don't like watching anime. We can also use the verb no ga jouzu, heta pattern to indicate that we are good at or bad at doing something. For example, Tanaka-san wa kanji o kaku no ga jouzu desu. Tanaka-san is good at writing kanji. If Tanaka is bad at writing kanji, I'll just replace jouzu into heta. Tanaka-san wa kanji o kaku no ga heta desu. Mr. Tanaka is bad at writing kanji. And we can use the word nigate in replace of heta to say that we are bad at doing something or we are not comfortable in doing something. Tanaka-san wa kanji o kaku no ga nigate desu. Same meaning. We can also use tokui to replace jozu to indicate that we're good in doing something. Tanaka-san wa kanji o kaku no ga tokui desu. Mr. Tanaka is good in writing kanji. Now, try to answer these ones. I like traveling alone. Sakura is good at speaking English. Okay, the answer is I like traveling alone. Hitori de ryoko suru no ga suki desu. Sakura is good at speaking English. Sakura-san wa eigo o hanasu no ga jouzu desu. And that's it for verb no ga suki kirai pattern. Hai, Aru sensei desu. Domo arigatou gozaimasu.